Good morning guys. Today I woke up with a goal in mind. 360s. So I'm going to get yesterday's video edited now, all done, and then the rest of the day is mine, and I head up the mountain. But I could do with someone to come and film me though, and I don't know where my brother is, so I need to get hold of him and then we'll head up. Oh, and of course a dog walk. I've got some snowshoes that I haven't tried out yet, which I've got so I can hike up the mountains before the lifts open nice early in the mornings with the dogs. But I suppose now would be a good time to check them out. These snowshoes seem really good. There's an icy bit back there, just, you know, wander on up. I don't know what they'll be like on powder. Bit sinky maybe. This place just gets me every time. Look at it. There's all just water coming down here, all underneath the ice. There's a little tiny waterfall here. So this is a really icy bit here and it's quite steep. So they've got this little heel lift. Here, pop up. Man, though, wow, just don't even slip at all in here. Well impressed. I love gadgety shit like this. Look at that. It's crazy. It's just beautiful. You say you wanna get back on your feet. I'm gonna give you what you need. So how was your music? Like a whisper from the sea. And a little soul. And then there's this bit. So that's where we were down by the waterfall. And it goes off here. And then there's literally waterfalls that go all the way up there. All the way up there. Look at that. It's like an ice organ. So I want some different sort of snow now, but it's hard for me to know what it's like because obviously I've got these on. And I suppose I could take a foot out, but... Whoa, whoa, hey, hey, hey. They always go mental when we get to this bit. So, it feels like powder with a, you know, a frozen layer underneath it. Trying to climb that might be fun. Let's have a go. So how much music, like a whistle from the sea, and a little soul dancing with me. Sus, arriba, arriba, arriba. Bueno, chico. Hello.
Oh. Hey, mate, okay.
Yeah. Are you?
Oh, yeah, great.
Are you coming out?
A bit late, isn't it?
Suppose, yeah. It is, isn't it?
It's not worth me. I would if I just had a pass I could use, but
oh, yeah.
it's not worth going to buy one for an hour. Like.
No, it's not, is it?
Alright, I'll give you a ring in the morning.
Okay, mate. See you later.
Alright, bro.
See you in a bit.
See you later.
Bye bye. See you later. Good boy. Right, so we're going up the mountain with our buddy Russ.
Hello.
And yeah, we're gonna be smashing 360s. We're gonna try to anyway. To be honest,
we. No. You are.
Just off side hits and stuff. I mean, I can't even do a 180 properly, so it's a bit ambitious, but let's just give it a go. Snow looks nice and soft today in most places.
You need to get better quick if you want to do a 360 by the end of the day.
I need to get exactly that. Exactly that. I prefer doing it backside, but none of these hits the backside.
Right, we've got a couple more to try on the way down anyway.
Yeah, let's do it. quite unsuccessful, but progress made. Thanks for filming for me, mate.
No worries.
Let's see what these guys are doing here.
Oh Jesus! It's steeper than I thought. Oh, oh shit! It looks about fucking 70 degrees from there.
Yeah, a bit more practice required on the old 360s, but I've got time. Any of you snowboarders out there got any tips for me? Let us know. Cooking dinner again. Marcella has finished work, but she's out with the dogs. And I'm making, can you guess? Beans! And I'm soaking more beans. Well, something I really like about these. Yeah. I'd love to set a time lapse of these growing, but my battery will just go flat. Just realised I forgot to show you the finished article. The beans and whatever it was I made wasn't that great, so you haven't missed much. Anyway, signing the vlog off here, guys. See you all tomorrow. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.